Welcome back, friends. Today in this tutorial, we learn how to connect with friends and family. Is this video helpful to you? Please subscribe my channel and give a like. And when you have any questions, please drop in the comments. So let's dive into the tutorial. So we go into the Facebook app and we are on the Facebook home screen. So now we can look for friends and family. You can search in the top right with the search icon. So you can click it and give in any name, like search for my wife. I think it's this one. Yes, it's this one. I add as a friend the message here. Then you can write some message. Hi, Samantha. And send it with the arrow on the right. So this is how to connect with friends and family. We can see here when we go back to the Facebook home screen. So now we can see in the top left under the Facebook logo the friend icon. When we click there, now we can see we have 2 requests to confirm. So I delete the requests what I do before and send me friend requests to this account. Now you can see the people can also search for you and you can easily confirm this. Thank you for watching until the end. Don't forget to subscribe, give me a thumb up and leave any questions down below in the comments. Thank you and see you next time.